Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Bora WTX clamp edge saw guide system. This comes in, this package I got was 100 inches long. You can break it down into two 50-inch sections. And I'm cutting this 4x8 sheet of plywood crosswise, so I want to cut it in half so that I can manage it a little more easily on a table saw. So I found that this is, I've used this a couple times now and I really like it. What you're going to do, blades on the right, the saw plate, you're going to line this edge up with this to cut your line. Now if I want to cut this at 48 inches, I've got 1.5 inches from where my blade cuts to the edge of my plate. So I first am going to make a mark 48 inches, and then I'm going to go another 1.5 inches and make another mark that I'm going to line up my Bora WTX clamp edge to. So just get it in position, have your handle up, make sure you're on the right mark. Okay. On this end, you're going to slide this up till it contacts the edge of your board. Then on the other side, you're going to push this handle down to clamp it in place. Okay, I got my sheet of plywood up off of my foam board by putting just some scrap pieces of boards through here. Make sure it's level. You don't want just a couple boards under the middle here, because then your board's bowed and you get an uneven cut. But once you've done that and you've got your edge guide lined up with the mark furthest away from your cut, like I say, where I want to cut is 1.5 inches. It's where my saw blade will hit once I line the saw base up with this edge. So once you've made sure you got that where you want it, it's just, and you've pushed that end stop to the edge of the board, all you do is push this down. Anyway, so far I like this. Stay tuned, I'll be doing more. What I'm doing here is a project. I'm making a miter saw station for this DeWalt DWS 779. It takes up a lot of room on the bench. You need a bench or station that's 32 inches deep. And I've designed one and am in the process of building it and can't wait to show it to you. Make sure you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and leave comments. And then you'll be notified when my big video comes out on my miter saw station, which I'm looking at right now. And I'm building 8 more drawers for the other cabinet. I'll also have a video on showing you how to make drawers, install the fronts of the drawers and the pulls on the drawers using various Kreg products that make that process so much easier. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to continue to break this down. I'll continue working on my miter saw station and can't wait to show it to you.